If you want to know how to use and add repeaters in Wix Studio, I'm gonna show you everything step by step. In one sentence, repeaters are elements that repeats the same design for multiple items, like showing a list or cards for products or persons. Changing the design for one card will also change the other cards automatically, but you can change the content inside of these cards, like changing the image or changing the text. Only if you change the design of one card, the other cards will be changed as well, but the content can be changed separately. To start, just go to any page where you want to add the repeater and create a new section. Then go to the plus icon in the top left corner, and under sections and services you can find different kinds of repeaters. These repeaters are pre-made templates, so you can just change the text as you need it, change the images, and you're done. But of course you can adjust this template, for example by adding rounded corners or anything else. Just to show you that you can change the content separately, we are going to change the image and we are going to change the text. For the people who want to create a repeater from scratch, we are going to add another section. Go to the plus icon in the top left corner, go to quick add, and then just click on repeater. Just to show you, you can change the type of your repeater. For example, you can select lists. Since we want to make it with cards, just go back to cards. To have some free space on the right side, left side, upper side and down side, we are going to add some distance on each side, some padding, and then here on the right top corner of this repeater we can stretch it, so we will cover this section very nicely. If we now just add one image into one card and also add one text element into one card, you can see that these design elements are copied to each of these cards. But changing the images or changing the text inside, you can do separately, as you can see here in the whole process. We also add another picture for the middle image, and for the third image, just for fun, we are creating an AI image, woman in business uniform, and this is what we got. Let's also change the name of this person, and if we select the text of each card, we can change the alignment to center, and since this has also to do with design, this alignment centering will be copied also to the other cards. Let's change also the color of these cards, add some corner radius, and also add shadow, or in this case some outlines, borders. Here you can be very creative. In the end, of course, you can also add an animation to your repeater. And that's basically it. This is how you use and add repeaters in Wix Studio. Thanks for watching.